Every night at 3:17 a.m., Sarah's smart doorbell recorded the same visitor. A tall figure in Victorian clothing would approach her door, knock 3 times, then vanish before the motion sensor could fully activate. Sarah thought it was a glitch until she researched her house's history. Turns out a funeral director named Edmund lived there in 1892. He died at exactly 3:17 a.m. after being crushed by his own coffin delivery. The twist? Sarah works at the same funeral home that Edmund founded over a century ago. He's still making house calls, just checking on his business. If you enjoyed this spine-chilling tale, smash that like button and subscribe for more terrifying stories.